All right, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick tutorial on how to get into your resources for the interim assessment block. So we go to the CAS website, interim assessment resources. We'll hit test administrator interface for online tests. This is where you'll be prompted to log in, but mine is auto logged in since I'm logged in already. So make sure you know your CAS username and password. Start test session now, select the school. On your pop-up window, go ahead and look at Smarter Balance Interim Assessments. And we're looking at, nope, sorry, not interim comprehensive. We're looking at the interim assessment blocks, or IAB. And we're looking at English and mathematics for grades 3, 4, 5. The idea here is that you give about one or two of each of these to inform you as to what the targeted needs students will require in preparation for the end of the year state assessment. And you would want to pick the ones that are machine scored, and I shared that in Google Classroom. So again, anything that says brief write or performance tasks are writing prompts. I want to encourage you all to maybe use a writing prompt that you're more familiar with, or that you know you're more passionate about, that something you want to read in assessing what the kids need for writing. So again, you have your grade 3, for example. You'd pick any of the, again, machine scored, which are the ones that are basically the non-writing tasks. And then this would produce data into the dashboard that will tell you, all right, are kids struggling on this standard altogether, which would mean almost every kid gets the same question wrong, or is it select groups of students where there are groups of students who need maybe some targeted instruction to remediate a standard that is on the IAB. So again, pick one or two of these that you feel like you would need to know about in order to get your kids prepared for the CASP, and then you would want to go ahead and administer it on a select date. Again, it's a test. It will require student IDs, so you'll schedule that with me, and then I'll check out the cards for you. And then you administer the test. I'd produce the data for you. And that data will inform what targeted instruction kids need from now until the state assessment. The idea now is we are narrowing our focus to get a high return on targeted instruction, right? We can't teach everything, right? And that's not the pressure that I think is fair to you all. The idea, again, is to identify areas of targeted need so that we're more focused in preparation for the CASP. So again, here's mathematics. Again, let's maybe pick a different grade. Let's look at 5th grade, and you would just, again, select non-performance task, machine scored items. Again, I've shared that with you in the Google Classroom, and essentially it shows you all of the machine scored tests that you should be choosing from. And then if you want to do a word problem style performance task, maybe look at the performance task provided to inform something that you would be more interested in assigning for your students, especially since you have, you know, a variety of curriculum. So the idea, again, one more time, give one or two of each math and ELA, so one or two from each, to your students that you feel will inform you about the standards that students will need between now and the CASP. And the idea is focused instruction, targeted standards, and not trying to teach everything, right? I will let the everything part be something, you know, you decide, but with the IABs, that will tell you, you know, very clear areas that students will need support with. And it could inform you, is it the standard that the kid needed help with? Or did the kids need help with maybe the testing interface? Was it a drag and drop? Was it a pull down? You know, was it a manipulate the graphic, right? Those can be revealed because every kid's gonna take the same test with the same test items that will inform you on what children need between now and the end of the year. Thank you.